shines to the city lights. We shine together through the nights. Unity, our guiding flame. Different souls, but one same name. Leader Yamit, they're strong and true. Keeps the fire burning through and through. Deputy Kyle with steady stride. He lifts us up with heart and pride. Madam Betty, her bright and kind. Her passion leaves no one behind. Deputy Nuri, lively and free. She spreads the joy and harmony. We are Dilaab, the fire that glows in every heart. The spirit flows. Unity, passion, pride and care. That's our flame we'll always share. We serve with love, we stand as one.
Dilaab family, we shine like the sun. Oh, oh, oh.
We shine like the sun. Admin Marie, the gentle guide. Her heart for service can't be denied. Admin Yulia with art so fine. Keeps our colors all aligned. Admin Lynn, calm but bright. She keeps the fam's flame burning light. Admin Jed with joyful cheer. Lifts the fam through every year. Admin Mitsuri, warm and sweet. Caring for all the souls she meets. Admin Hershey, full of fun. She makes the journey bright for everyone. To every member, near or far, you are the reason who we are. Your voice, your heart, your burning drive keeps this family alive. Cultural pride, that's who we are. Mga Bisaya nga mulamdag sa kalibutan. Through laughter, service, and unity's might, we'll keep the Dilaab shining bright. We are Dilaab, the flame that glows in every heart. The spirit flows. Unity, passion, pride and care. That's our flame we'll always share. Together we rise, together we stand. One Bisaya fam. Oh, oh, oh. Hand in hand. So light it up, ignite the flame. Dilaab family will make our name. With love and pride in all we do, the fire of service will see us through. Beside like the sun. So light it up.